A simple thumb rule keeps attics dry and cool. Provide the right net-free vent area based on the attic square footage and balance intake and exhaust. For a typical attic, start with the 1 to 300 net-free vent area rule, which means 1 square foot of net-free vent area for every 300 square feet of attic floor when you have a vapor barrier, and move to 1 to 150 when there is no vapor barrier or other specific conditions require more ventilation. Split that vent area roughly evenly between low intake vents at the soffits and high exhaust vents at the ridge or roof to promote continuous airflow from the eaves to the peak. Use continuous eave or soffit vents plus ridge venting where possible because that layout creates a predictable pressure path and reduces the chance of dead zones where moisture lingers. Install baffles or rafter vents at every vented rafter bay to prevent insulation from blocking soffit airflow and to keep air channels open from soffit to ridge. Measure net-free vent area using manufacturer data, not just raw opening area, because screens and louvers reduce free area significantly, and you must account for that when calculating total openings. When using mechanical exhaust fans, size intake accordingly so negative pressure does not draw conditioned air from the living space through leaks, and so makeup air is routed through the designed soffit intake. Common mistakes are underestimating the reduction of net-free area by screens and louvers, which leads to ineffective ventilation. Correct that by adding extra openings based on manufacturer net-free area numbers. Another frequent issue is failing to balance intake and exhaust, which causes poor circulation. Correct that by ensuring soffit vents provide roughly half the total net-free area, and that exhaust vents are continuous or evenly distributed along the ridge. A third problem is blocked soffit channels when insulation is pushed into rafter bays, which stops intake airflow. Resolve that by installing baffles at each vented bay and securing insulation away from the soffit inlet. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work related to attic ventilation and other home projects. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange real-world tips and installation experiences.